Mastering Man-to-Man Defense, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's not just a sports term but a metaphor used in everyday English: man-to-man defense. This expression has its roots in sports, but you'll be surprised at how it's applied in various contexts. Stay tuned as we unpack its meaning, usage, and relevance to both your language learning and daily conversations. Man-to-man defense is a strategy primarily used in team sports like basketball and football. In a man-to-man defense, each player is responsible for guarding a specific opponent. The key here is individual responsibility. You are directly accountable for preventing your opponent from gaining an advantage or scoring. This approach contrasts with zone defense, where players are responsible for covering specific areas rather than marking individual opponents. Man-to-man is about personal matchups and direct confrontation. Interestingly, man-to-man defense transcends the realm of sports. In everyday language, it metaphorically describes situations where direct confrontation or personal responsibility is emphasized. For example, in a business context, tackling problems man-to-man might mean dealing with them directly and personally, rather than delegating or avoiding them. It's also used to describe honest and direct communication between individuals. A man-to-man talk implies a straightforward, sincere conversation, often about serious or sensitive subjects. To use man-to-man defense effectively in conversation, it's essential to understand the context. If you're discussing sports, it's straightforward. But in everyday language, ensure the situation involves direct interaction or responsibility. Here are some examples. We need to approach this project with a man-to-man defense strategy, ensuring everyone tackles their tasks directly. I think it's time for a man-to-man talk with him about his performance. Remember, using sports metaphors like this can add dynamism to your language, making your speech more vivid and relatable. And that wraps up our exploration of man-to-man defense. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also given you a new lens through which to view everyday situations. Whether on the sports field or in the office, understanding and applying this phrase can enhance your communication skills and strategic thinking. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning tips. See you in our next video.